What is entanglement? In our last video, we explored superposition, the quantum ability of a system to exist in multiple states at once. If that felt strange, there is another phenomena that is even more puzzling. In fact, so puzzling that Albert Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance. It was a phenomena so unsettling that Einstein questioned the completeness of quantum mechanics itself. This phenomena is called entanglement. Entanglement is a property of a quantum system in which two or more particles become correlated so strongly that their quantum states can no longer be described independently. Instead, they must be described as a single combined system. That is to say that when a measurement is performed on one particle, the outcome immediately impacts the outcome associated with another particle, no matter how far apart the particles are. One way to understand entanglement is through an analogy with a pair of magical socks that are entangled. Imagine that before you look at them, each sock is somehow both left-footed and right-footed at the same time, similar to a state of superposition. Now you place one sock in a box and send it to Mars, while keeping the other one on Earth. The moment you open your box on Earth and see a left sock, you instantly know that the sock on Mars must be right one. It would not matter whether the other sock was on Mars or in another galaxy. The correlation would still hold. Einstein described this as if the measurement results were already decided by the particle before the measurement, like a hidden set of instructions, and he completely rejected this whole theory of quantum mechanics and entanglement. But there are many experimental evidence, but mainly Bell's inequality test, which has already proven that the spookiness is real. Today, this quantum spookiness is not just a curiosity of physics, it has become a powerful resource used in emerging technologies such as quantum computing, quantum communication, and quantum sensing. In the next video, we'll talk about quantum interference.